Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about Bitcoin. We're going to look at the news on Bitcoin because something massive just happened which can make Bitcoin do or die. We're going to look at that. We're going to look at the charts, see where supports are, see where buying zones are and selling zones. Also, I'm doing a giveaway, Tesla related, so stay tuned for that during this video. And yeah, let's dig right into what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto. So first thing I want to look at is the news of what's going on because some massive news just broke on Bitcoin. I'm going to pull that up momentarily. Quick overview of what the stock markets are doing and the crypto markets. They're plunging. They're deep in the toilets. It's not looking good. The stock markets are all over the place, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, I said this in my last video that most likely they're going to chop around in this zone as far as stocks go, and it's trying to shake out people that think that this is a breakout to the top. So if you're buying in, it's going to try and shake you out. That's my personal opinion of what I think is currently happening. Now, as far as the crypto markets go, we just had some news which shook things up. We were looking like we were rebounding. Everyone's happy, and it pulled back down. Lost the gains. So let's find out exactly what's going on in these crypto markets and look at the news because listen, we want to go back into a bull market. It's been a while. We're in the ditches in this war right now to get crypto back into a bull market. And one of the ways to do that is to buy or to hodl, not to sell, and fight back against everyone that is trying to crash crypto and Bitcoin. Let's dig in. So looking at the news for crypto, more specifically Bitcoin, this is a tweet from Pomp, great podcast. Definitely check him out. He's one of the biggest Bitcoin advocates that have a podcast that I know of. Barron's is reporting that the Biden administration is preparing an executive action to regulate digital assets such as Bitcoin as a matter of national security. What does this have to do with Bitcoin? But, so there's pros and cons to this. People don't like regulations, but at the same time, you can say that regulations are good because they are recognizing Bitcoin as a massive threat. And maybe that's why they're using the word security. So to counter a threat, you need to dig into it, break it down, unpack it, and find ways to regulate it. Making money in the stock markets, making money flipping, selling sneakers, flipping sneakers, whatever. There's many different ways to make money. It all has regulations. They're doing that now with crypto, which means they're recognizing it as a massive threat. That means Bitcoin is going to be here for a very long time. I see this as bullish short term because we tanked. It may not look bullish just yet, but it should be bullish in the coming days, in the coming weeks or months. Now, following up to that release from Biden, we had this article before it. Putin backs crypto mining despite Bank of Russia's hardline. So Putin is now backing crypto mining. Vitalik Buterin must be dancing in his little Christmas slippers. Russia is the third biggest miner after US and Kazakhstan. I wonder if Borat is mining. Where is he nowadays? So looking at the Bitcoin chart, there's a couple of points of interest I want to pay attention to on here. I did sell Bitcoin during this sell-off and then I bought back in. So I'm hoping that we do return and head back up to 60, 70, 80,000. The first support line is around 35, right where we're sitting right now because of this area here. This is all support in here. Also some support over here. But more importantly, right here is our support. That's what we're coming down to, and I'm hoping that we bounce up and we could start to aggressively run back up and get into a bull trend. We won't get into a bull trend until we are out of this channel. This will eventually happen, but not anytime soon. We need to really push up and get back over probably 40,000, and that would be a good sign that we are breaking out. Now, the first support line is, let me just redoodle this. So the first support line is the lifeline. Now, it's pretty much almost the last lifeline at 35K. If we could get above that area and hold up and push over 40, then that's good. We're far off of that support, first support, and we're looking good again. We tried to do it, we spiked up, and we failed. So we really need to break out of these downtrends and push up, but it's not happening for some reason. So the next support, which I do not want to test because it's going to be do or die, which is support number 2. Do or die, which is around 35,600, somewhere around there, because of all these little spikes down here. Whales are not letting this fall below, mostly Michael Saylor. He's not letting it fall below because he's going to be underwater if it does. So do or die is our support line we want to be paying most attention to. If we fail 35.8, 35.9, somewhere around there, which we are we're hovering at it right now. We're hovering at it. So, and Bitcoin is Papa Bitcoin. It's leading the pack. Bitcoin goes down, everything else goes down, except maybe, I don't know, what goes up when Bitcoin goes down? Cardano might come alive. If Bitcoin dips, Cardano has a mind of its own. So I'm watching Bitcoin very closely to see what happens. I do have a giveaway if anyone's interested. I bought this during one of my last videos. It's still wrapped. It's the Cybertruck Tesla hat in white. It looks too big for my head, but I mostly did it just for a video to show you. I bought this with Doge. So I want to show you that you could buy this with crypto. This is fully bought with crypto. So if you want a Cybertruck Tesla hat in white and you have a little bit of a bigger head than me, then like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and comment below that you're interested in the Cybertruck hat, and I will pick someone and I'll ship this to you for free. So you have a free hat, it's brand new. It's a $40 hat, by the way, paid in Doge. So if you do want to chat with Retire Young members, there's a link in the description for my Discord. Jump in there, chat with the community, share ideas on where you think Bitcoin's gonna go, or put it in the comments, because we are all in the fight for Bitcoin to win, because if Bitcoin wins, all of your altcoins win as well, which I have many altcoins. Ethereum is an altcoin. So many altcoins there, and crypto can get saucy again, but we need to get out of this boring, ugly, badly beaten downtrend. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, when you hit that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.